What's up, everybody? So I finally got to updating my freaking build. I know it's been a long time. It's been months. I haven't been able to update it. A lot of stuff happened a few months ago. I'm sure you guys are aware. Then all the stuff with the new laws and add-ons going down and builders leaving, developers leaving. It's just been a mess, but I said screw it. Went ahead and I updated Lite BB Krypton Edition. This is 2.0. I got rid of all the shit that no longer works. Kept some stuff that does work. Added some new things that should hopefully work. And this is what we're left with. So I'm going to take you guys through the build. And then of course I'll show you guys how to install it. Lite BB Krypton Edition 2.0. Movie section. I had to switch out the widget because Zen obviously is no longer working. And of course down here there's still Zen movies, Zen TV shows, and the next update I will completely remove that since now it no longer works. A few days ago it did work, so I left it in. But anyways, Specto widget up top. All of this should work for you guys to go through. Down in the sub menu, search movies, Elysium movies, which is Zen rebranded, so use this one instead of Zen. Specto, Exodus, and Bob movies. Moving over to TV shows, Specto widget up top. Again, you guys can go through that. Everything should work in there. All I did was change the theme on Specto, so it's going to look a little bit different. I'll just go to it right now so you guys don't freak out thinking it's something new. It's still Specto. I just changed the theme from that other basic one that it was on. I think this one looks better. You can always change it back in settings, but it's still Specto. Submenu, we got search, Elysium, TV shows, TV network, Specto, Exodus, HBO series, Stars, Netflix, Amazon, and Showtime series for the TV show section. Live TV, I was just going to completely remove it, but then a new add-on came about. I think it's called Live Hub. If you click on Live TV, it'll take you to that, to where you can get to these. Yeah, it's called Live Hub, but down in the submenu, I linked to Mobdro, USA Live TV, United Kingdom Live TV, Mobile TV, and Swift Streams. Now, if you're new to this, Live TV is a pain in the ass. Some days it works, the next day it could be down, the next week it could work great, the following week it could not work at all. That's just the way it goes with the free Live TV stuff. But all of these should work for a minute, I'm hoping so. Again, you just click on Mobdro and it'll take you to Mobdro so you can look through all the stuff on there. I'll just go to the USA Live TV to show you guys that a lot of stuff in here does work. I'll just click on Sci-Fi. Boom, there it is. Starts playing within a few seconds. So a lot of the stuff in this USA Live TV does work. You guys can go through all of these. I've already checked. FX, HBO, you can see 12 seconds played. So a lot of this stuff does work. Hopefully it will stay that way for a while, but just please keep in mind that Live TV is always up and down. So there's that for the Live TV. Sports, added GeoTV Sports, Mobile TV Sports. We still got Made in Canada, Pro Sport, DC Sports, UFC Finest, which I think is called Planet MMA now, but I just left it as UFC Finest. And of course, WWE On Demand. Kids Zone, the Specto widget up top for the Disney Channel, if you got kids and stuff like that. And then down in the submenu, we got Disney XD, Kids Tunes, Nickelodeon, Disney Channel, Disney Collection, and Cartoon Network. Again, hopefully all the stuff in here will work for a while. Add-ons, quick access to your video add-ons up top, and then of course all of your other add-ons down in the submenu, and of course Android applications, so it'll bring up all the apps that are on your device if you have apps installed. There's still the adult section. If you guys want that disabled, all you got to do is just go into the settings, skin settings, and then set up the main menu, go to adults, and click disable, and then it will not show up in this menu section anymore. Favorites, still the same as usual. System, my maintenance up here that you guys can clear cache and stuff like that. add-ons, skin settings, file manager, BB maintenance, and system info. And then power. It's always good after you update anything, you make changes, you come here, go to quit, power down Kodi properly so it saves all of your changes. Because if you don't, any changes that you make are just going to be deleted and nothing will be saved and you'll have to redo everything again. So please make sure you always power down Kodi properly. And then we're back to the movie section, and that's it, you guys. There is no urban section. I had to remove it since the Phoenix add-on is done, are not working anyways, and most of the stuff from the urban section did come from the Phoenix add-on. So I'm sorry, I know a lot of people like the urban section. Maybe in the future I'll be able to bring it back, but right now I had to remove it just because nothing works. So everything right now, the way I have it, should work. The only thing I'm going to be iffy about, obviously, is the live TV. Just because the free stuff is really never reliable. I mean, it's just not. Like I said, the USA live TV stuff, it's coming from the TV Online Plus. I just did a video on that. And a lot of stuff does seem to be working in there, thankfully. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. And this is where I'd recommend you go. I'll just try AMC real quick to see if it plays. There it is, starts right up. Some of the stuff is HD, other stuff is standard definition. So, but a lot of the stuff, channels in here do work. So I really pray that this lasts for a minute. Mobdro, with the add-on, it's been up and down. The application seems to work better, but I still linked it anyways. So there's some live TV and stuff. Some of the sports may be iffy, but I tested everything and it seemed to work for while I was testing it. But of course, the moment I upload the build, I got a feeling everything's just going to stop working. But hopefully that's not the case. So it's a slimmer down version of the build. I had to remove quite a bit of stuff, which really does suck. But hopefully in the future, a lot of that stuff will come back. But like Specto still works, Exodus, I updated Exodus to the latest version. Elysium Movies, formerly known as Zen, does work. And again, in the next update, I'll remove Zen Movies and Zen TV shows. So please don't comment saying there's nothing in there, it doesn't work. I just didn't delete it yet. So I will delete that in the next update. But that's pretty much it, you guys, for Lite BB Krypton Edition version 2.0. Now I'll show you guys how to install it for those of you that don't know. It's still on the Ares Wizard. So you want to go to System, File Manager, you want to go to Add Source, and you want to type this source in. I'll put it on screen to make it easier. http://repo.ares-project.com/magic. I always name mine .ares. Once that's done, you can click OK. Then you want to go back. You want to go to System, Add-ons, go down to Install from Zip File, go to .ares or whatever you named it, repository.ares project, and then click on repository.ares project.zip. Give it a moment. It should say add-on updated or repository, something in the right-hand corner of your screen. Wait for that to pop up before you do anything else. Alright, so there it is, add-on updated. Once that's done, you can go up to Install from Repository, Ares Project, go down to Program Add-ons, and then click on Ares Wizard. Go ahead and install it. Once it's done installing, you can then click Open. And it may have to do an update and all that. It's really quick, so just let it update it if it needs to. And then it will launch the wizard. So just give it a few moments to do that. Alright, so once we're in the wizard now, just go to Browse Builds. And we want to scroll down right here, number 19, Biagio Builds. Go ahead and click on that. And I updated the wizard. So the only one on here is Lite BB Krypton Edition. Slowly, I will be bringing the other builds back. I just wanted to get one build updated and out there that will work for you guys. So there's only one on there right now, which is this one. So just click on it. Make sure you're on a fresh start already. Do not try to install it over a previous build or not coming from a fresh start, because you're just going to have problems. Make sure it says version 2.0. Once it does, go ahead, click install, let it download, let it extract. Once it's done extracting, it's going to bring up some pop-ups. When it says to force close Kodi, you can click OK. But if you're on a Fire Stick, you want to pull the cable from your device, wait 3 to 5 seconds, plug it back in, launch Kodi. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes to sit. Let everything load, the widgets load, let it update anything, and then you guys will be set up and ready to further customize the build any way you like. Another thing I had to do, which most of you are aware of, I had to remove a lot of the backgrounds that I did not have permission to use, copyrighted images. So that's why you just see the skull with Biagio builds right now. If you guys want to add your own backgrounds, you can easily do that if you want to. And hopefully I'm going to come up with something to where I can add some pretty cool backgrounds in later updates. But there's a complete update on all of that. Lite BB, go ahead and install it, you guys. I hope some of you come back and use the build. Let me know what you think. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being patient with everything that's been going on with me in the past 2 months. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for still supporting and being there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!